Hi everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat? Juvy's World here! Welcome sa aking channel. Ang laki na kang braso ko eh. So, for today's video, I'm sure you have an idea na sa title natin. So, I will be doing a haircut. My husband's haircut. Kasi nga, we've been like more than a month lockdown here in Canberra. And then, unfortunately, our lockdown is extended until mid of October. So, there's no hairdresser salon open here in the city. So, that's why he don't have a choice. I have to chop his hair. So, fingers crossed. Good luck to me, guys. Sana ay perfect itong ating pag-haircut ng aking asawa. So, anyway, meron kaming tawag dito, security guard here watching us to make sure that I did a good job. Here she is! So there she is! Say good morning everybody! I will be watching mom doing dad's haircut today to make sure it's perfect. Yes, are you watching? Are you gonna tell me? Tingnan nyo guys, oh, meron siyang kamot, parang eczema sa forehead niya. So yes, you're gonna make sure that I'm doing okay? Getting that haircut well, oh? Yes, okay. So here we go guys, he's preparing his... We don't have a thing pang cover para lang hindi malagyan yung buhok, yung jumper niya. So ito na lang ginagamit namin na bean bag, very large bean bag para sa aming, this is for our, what's that? For our, to send a package back home, yung balikbayan box ba? So, ayun. So, let's go guys! Let's get started! Ayun, how are you feeling? I'm your hairdresser.
Very confident.
You're a bit high, sila. Maybe I should get a thing. A bit more.
That's as low as it goes.
That's
I'll have to sit in the normal chair.
which no, you can't. It's okay. I will. Yeah, it's a bit. Hold on, I just stand.
No, normal chair.
No question. Hindi ko maabot siya ang tangkal. So ayun guys. So andito na yung ating mga kakailanganin. So here, VS son. So iano lang natin. Yeah, okay, that's better. Maybe, ay, use it. Okay, use it like that. Okay, I'll move this one. Sorry guys, this is our kitchen, our salon / salon. Hold on, maybe you have to move it. Is it one thing? Okay.
Hey,
See?
does it not fit?
Yeah,
Can you move the neck?
it's a bit stretchy. Move upward. Okay. Move. I put the thing. There we go guys. We don't have a clip, so we just the thing. I'm wearing black.
Yes, come on.
Alright. Hold on, we need to get the hairbrush. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'll get the hairbrush. So I'm back. So I got the hairbrush and then the scissors. And what else I did? There.
It's very professional.
Very professional, right? I know what I'm doing, Charo.
I could lose weight in this.
Huh?
I could lose weight in this. Getting nice and hot.
Okay, here we go. Wow, you're gonna get with that.
It's cold.
Do I supposed to wait?
Oh, I don't know. You're the one cut my hair. Fills me with confidence. Okay.
So what number is this?
I don't know, number 3, isn't it?
First the number. I need the number 2.
It's got on it. I put it on. Number 3.
Are you sure?
Oh, it's on it.
Ah, okay, here. Right.
Just remember, you only cut up. Don't.
Yeah, I know, in here.
Up to about here.
Yeah, in here. In
No.
here.
Okay. All right. Here we go.
Tell me when to do close-ups.
Dito. Just dressing. That's it.
feels
Feels good, feels lighter.
very light.
I did a good job, I think.
That is it.
Very good. At least hindi siya very nice. So, yun lang. So, all done. So, this is my first customer for this lockdown. I think it looks really good, guys. It's hard to shape in this side, but it looks good for me. So, there's nice and thin at the back. There, don't move. There.
Oh, good.
There we go. Looks really good. This insurance na very thin. There we go, guys. How do you feel?
Relief.
My first customer.
Relief, that's for sure.
Much lighter.
That's for your life.
There you go. So look at all the hair, guys. Medyo madami-dami. It's quite thick. Look. Very. Oh, wow, look at that. Very. Wow, that's a lot of hair.
Jeez. More hair than I've ever had in my life.
Because how many months you didn't have? Look at all the hair.
Ugh.
Yeah, that's a lot of hair.